The First Alert Smart Onelink Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm is a battery-powered alarm that allows you to connect Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google. This alarm provides 2-in-1 protection against smoke and carbon monoxide and can send you emergency notifications to your phone or other smart devices. Using the Onelink Home app, you can even conveniently test and silence this alarm. The photoelectric smoke sensor inside the slim and attractive low-profile design keeps you safe from slow smoldering fires, while the electrochemical sensor ensures optimal carbon monoxide detection. The multicolor indicator ring on the front provides a visual warning when smoke or carbon monoxide is detected. This alarm runs entirely on battery power, so you're always protected even in the event of a power outage, with the battery drawer on the front face of the alarm for quick and easy access. The First Alert Smart Onelink Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.